गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। पिछले लेक्चर में हमने बात की थी मिडगट की। अब हम उसे आगे बढ़ाते हैं और हाइंडगट की बात करते हैं। एलिमेंट्री कैनाल का तीसरा इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट जिसे हम हाइंडगट कहते हैं और यह प्रोक्टोडियम भी कहलाता है। द proctodium or hindgut is the posterior most part of the alimentary canal. It is ectodermal in origin. हमने पहले भी बताया था कि एक्टो फोरगट और हाइंडगट एक्टोडर्मल ओरिजिन होता है इनका, और मिडगट का एंडोडर्मल ओरिजिन होता है। इट इज सिंपली a tube extending from the stomach to the anus. Proctodium also differentiated into several regions. The anterior end of the proctodium start from the Malpighian tubules. Between midgut and hindgut, a contraction is found, and the opening between midgut and hindgut is guarded by pyloric wall. The proctodium is supported by extrinsic muscles which are originated from the posterior part of the abdominal wall and inserted in proctodium. These muscles are also called as suspensory muscles of the proctodium. In addition to this, they perform a more important function in some insects. They are dilator of the proctodium. In some caterpillars, they help in evacuation. Subdivision of the proctodium. Here is subdivision of the proctodium. Generally, proctodium is divided into two parts, the anterior intestine or the posterior intestine. The anterior and posterior intestine are usually separated externally by a sharp constriction and internally by a rectal wall. In many insects, there is a short part of proctodium that is between the midgut and true intestinal tube. Mostly, the Malpighian tubules open into the anterior part of the proctodium, the pylorus. Sometimes they open just behind the ventriculus. The anterior intestine further divided into two parts. The anterior part is known as the ileum and the posterior part is known as colon. Simply, the posterior intestine or rectum is colon. जिस प्रकार से एंटीरियर इंटेस्टाइन दो भागों में डिवाइड है इलियम और कॉलन में, उसी तरह से पोस्टीरियर इंटेस्टाइन या रेक्टम भी डिवाइड है दो भागों में. तो anterior part of rectum is known as the rectal sac and posterior part is known as the rectum proper, which is straight tubular part and goes direct to the anus. Generally, the anterior intestine open into the posterior intestine in the side of the rectal sac. In such cases, the anterior end of the rectal sac becomes a blind pouch, which is called as rectal cecum. Now we discuss about the histology of the proctodium. Is the histology of the proctodium. Histologically, the wall of the proctodium resemble in the structure of the stomodium. फोरगट की तरह से ही इसकी वॉल जो है होती है. The cells of epithelium are flat columnar and they covered internally with a cuticular intima. The muscles of the proctodium are not regular and they absent in many places. In muscularis sheath, the circular fibers internally present and longitudinal fibers arranged externally like ventriculus. Pylorus. Pylorus is the anterior part of the proctodium, often differentiated into pylorus, in which the Malpighian tubules are open. Pylorus is well defined and conspicuous in Coleoptera and larvae of Lepidoptera. In pylorus, pyloric wall is present, which work as a gatekeeper. In some insect, pyloric wall is absent and only a simple epithelial fold is present between the mesenteron and proctodium. In those insects, pylorus is also not differentiated. The entire length of the pylorus is closely surrounded by the circular muscles. And out the circular muscles, ring longitudinal muscles are also present, which are free from the pyloric wall, except at their ends. When external sphincter muscles of the pylorus contract, the pyloric wall closed the lumen of the alimentary canal, and when external longitudinal muscles contract, they relax the wall and the lumen is open. The anterior intestine, the part of the intestine between the pylorus and rectum, is known as anterior intestine. It may be short and straight, open into a sac-like chamber, or long and coiled. Anterior intestine further divided into an anterior ileum and posterior colon. Both may be differ in histological characters and are separated by a constriction. The posterior intestine or the rectum. The rectum start from the end of the anterior intestine and running to the anus. Between anterior and posterior intestine, the rectal wall is present. It is further divided into anterior part, rectal sac, and posterior part, rectal proper. In muscular sheath, the longitudinal muscles are externally and circular muscles are internally situated. The longitudinal muscles are oftenly collected into 6 external lengthwise bands. In the anus region, the circular muscles are well developed and forming a anal sphincter. Peritoneal sheath is absent. An unusual condition is found in larvae of Lepidoptera, in which in the rectum region cellular membranes are lying below the muscular sheath, which are penetrated by the Malpighian tubules. According to Ishimori, 1924, there are two sets of those cells, two sets of these cells, outer set composed of a single layer of cells, while in the inner set, two layers of cells are present. The 6 Malpighian tubules enter below the outer membrane near the anterior end of the rectum and run posteriorly in the space between those two membranes, and then the inner double membrane and turn forward. In the space between this membrane and the epithelial of the rectal wall. The tubules either forming various loops before they end or they break into the flux and running reuniting branches. The rectal organs. As the rectal organs In the most insect, the epithelial enchyma of the rectal sac form the spatial structure and they are known as rectal organs. These are two forms. In first form, they appear as oval, elongated, pad-like thickening of the intestinal wall. In second form, they are conical and projecting into the lumen. Rectal pads. The rectal pad are the area of the wall of the rectum on which the epithelium composed of high columnar cells forming elongate oval bodies and projection towards the lumen. The enchyma is usually thin over the surface of the each pad, but they form a thickened rim around its margin. Mostly, the rectal pads are six in number and are equally spaced around the anterior part of the rectal sac with their long axis longitudinally. In larvae of Odonata, rectal pads are three in number in Mecoptera, Trichoptera, and Leptoptera. The number of rectal pads are absent in Ephemerida, Hemiptera, Coleoptera, and most holometabolous larvae. Tonkov 1923 to 25 show that rectal pads may be of two types. The first is simple type found in Plecoptera, Odonata, and Orthoptera. In this simple type, the rectal pads consist of two layers of cells and these rectal pads are compact in Mecoptera, Lepidoptera, and some Hymenoptera. In some insect, these are hollow like Neuroptera and some Hymenoptera. In hollow type rectal pads, the lumen is present between the two layers of the cells. Where is the rectal glands? Rectal glands of the papillae are hollow. Conical invaginations of the intestinal wall, the position of each externally marked by a pit which is penetrated by the tracheal branchage according to Ussel, the usual number of rectal papillae. In the Diptera, is 4 to 6. In Orthoptera, the number of rectal papillae very large. The arrangement of the papillae is that these are arranged in a circle around the anterior end of the rectum. But in some, they are irregularly arranged. They may also arranged into a single longitudinal row in Midas clavatus fly. There are 33 rectal papillae and they are arranged in three longitudinal rows. The function of the rectal pads and glands are definitely not known. Some suggested that the rectal organs work for the breaking up the peritrophic membrane. Some writers suggested that they eliminate carbon dioxide from the blood and others suggested that absorb the food residues from the rectum. Wigglesworth 1932 told that these organs reabsorb water from the fecal matter in the rectum and thus they play an important role in water conservation. But the structure of those organs are not supported because these organs covered with thick cuticle. Various other types of rectal organs are found in larval insects. Some of the some of them are play simple while some of them are complicated. Here is the anal glands. In some insects, especially in the Coleoptera, some ectodermal glands are open near the topmost posterior end of the rectum, and those glands are known as anal glands. Those glands secrete some secretions which have strong and repulsive odor in case of bombard beetle. These secretions have explosive property, and these secretions used in defense. This is all about the hind gut or the proctodium. Our next topic will be the head glands and digestive glands and accessory digestive glands. Thank you very much.